guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan and I haven't posted in a year or two. I'm not really sure. So to get right into this video, today we're going to be reviewing and testing the Kiss Brush On Gel at Home Nail Kit. This is also just a quick little how to do your nails cheap and fast at home. So I picked this up at my local Family Dollar for $7. So if this works, that's gonna be a lifesaver because I personally would rather do my nails at home because I'm so picky about my nails, and if they're done not the way I want them, then I take them off. Every time I've gone to a salon, I end up taking my nails off. So let's get started. So to get started, you're going to want some nail polish remover, and then I have the different nail polishes that I'm going to be using for this look. An electric nail file, and then these are just the bits that come with it. A nail buffer, you can just pick up cheap for like 99 cents out of some stores or whatever. A nail file, and this is just a metal nail file, which you can, both of those you can also get pretty cheap at like any little cheap store. Some paper towel, because it's going to be a little messy. And you're going to obviously want your brush on gel kit. So with the kit, it comes with the instructions, and there's not a lot to read. As you can see, it comes in Spanish too. And then you get 24 natural nails. And then you get the brush on gel. Here's me trying to focus it. And then the brush on activator. The brush on activator does not have a brush. You have to use the brush that comes in this, which is the brush on cleaner. And then here's what the nail tips look like. They have an easy tab on them. To start, I'm just going to shape my nails. So your first step is you want to take your brush on gel and you just brush it on the little tip of your nail. And then you're going to place it right on your nail. And I did not have it in the video, but you know. And once you get it placed where you want to push down on the sides to make sure the sides are pushed down nicely, and make sure you push on the top, of course, get out any air bubbles, and peel away your skin so you don't get any gel on your skin because you don't want that. And you just want to press it down and hold it, make sure it dries. This stuff dries pretty fast. And here it is. So after that, we're just going to bend the tip up and then back down, and it usually just pops right off. You do not want to twist them. So here's all of them. So now you're going to take the brush cleaner. You need to brush on cleaner on the edge of the nail tip so it can melt down and look smoother because there's acetone in it. And then you just want to buff it out so it will be flatter with your natural nails. And I'm going to do all my nails and come back. And here they are. Now you're just going to file the tip of your nails to get where you pulled the tip of the nail off. And this is also when I'm going to shape my nails. I'm going to show you how I shaped my thumb, and then I will come back out with all of them done. And there's my nail. So here's all of my nails. So now you're going to want your paper towel, and you're going to want your gel and your activator and your cleaner. So you're going to paint on your gel just like you would any other nail polish. And just make sure you put a pretty nice coat on there. And try to avoid your skin and your cuticles because you do not want to get this stuff on your skin. Next, you're going to want to take your cleaner brush and wipe it off and dip it into your activator and put it straight on the gel before it finishes drying. This is going to activate the gel and make it hard. And then you want to dip your brush back into the cleaner, brush it off, and do this a couple times to keep your brush nice and clean so it doesn't get hard. And you're going to want to repeat this step to all of your nails. And I will come back and show you what they look like. And here's the first coat. So now I'm going to take my metal file and I'm just going to clean it up a little bit on the tips mainly. So now you want to go in with your second layer of gel and activator and just do the same exact thing as you did before. Like I did the last time, I will show you guys this first nail and I will come back with my whole hands done. And here is the second coat of the gel. It looks super nice, and don't mind my pinky twitching. That's from my car accident I had. It looks kind of funny. So you want to do a third coat, but I skipped that part so it doesn't just keep repeating. So now I'm going to paint my nails. So here's the different colors that I'm going to be using. And then this is a matte top coat. So I didn't show you guys painting my nails because I hope you guys know how to paint your nails. So here's my finished product. It's kind of messy, so yeah. Let's go talk about it. Okay guys, so here's my nails. This whole process of prepping my nails, doing them, and then painting them all took about 2 hours at least. So is it worth it? To me, no. But yeah, I won't be doing this again. Probably take these off like tomorrow or something. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Come back next Friday. Yeah. Please make sure you hit the big red subscribe button down below. Leave a big old like and comment down below what you want to see next. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, guys.